Hello programmers, in this video we are going to try out Python comparison operators. So what are comparison operators? Your one like equals to one boost of motivation for me to create more awesome tech videos. We have discussed about the data type in our previous videos, and we have a data type called boolean, which can either be true or false. So every time you perform a comparison operator, it returns either true or false. So there is no other result than true or false. So under comparison operator, we have 6 operators, and we are going to see and learn one by one. So what is equal operator? So equal operator checks if two values in left and right side of the comparison is same or not. So we are going to do this with two variables, true result and false result. The first one, let's write true result. We have a number, so number double equal to, if you say 3, that means according to equal operator it must be true. And for the false result, what we are going to do is, let's say number is double equal to 2. So the equal operator says if two values on the right side and the left side are same, then that is true, otherwise it is false. In this case, the true result should give true and false result should have the variable value false. Now let me just uncomment this statement, which is just printing out the above variables. So run the program and result is as follows. Correct comparison result is true, first result was true, so the wrong comparison result is false, which means the equal operator checks the value from left and right, and if they are same, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Now let's try this with on the not equal operator. So what is not equal operator? The not equal operator is exact opposite of the equal operator. So for the not symbol in Python, we use exclamation mark symbol here, and this symbol is used, exclamation mark symbol is used to say like it's not. Now let me just try to show you. That means we just have to have a wrong information here, just the opposite of the equal symbol here. Now if you do true result, number not equal to 3, that means this is false, right? As number is equal to true, number equal to 3, and this will be the true, as it gives the just opposite of the equal operator. Now run the program and see the result, and you can see correct comparison result is false, as the first one is saying 3 not equal to 3, but which is false, but 3 not equal to 2, which is true. That's why the false result is true and true result is false in this case. Now let's go and explore the greater than operator. So as the name suggests itself, greater than operator is used to check whether the variable on the left side is greater than the right side. So here in case of greater than operator, just replace the double equal to symbol with greater than and say number is greater than 3. 3 is greater than 3, false. But if you see 3 is greater than 2, this will be true, right? So let's run the program again and see. The first one should be false, as 3 is not greater than 3. Correct comparison result is false. The first one is false and the second one is true, as 3 greater than 3 should be false, as 3 and 3 are same, and 3 greater than 2 is true, so we get the result true, and this is called greater operator. Greater operator is used to compare the value between left side and right side of the variable, or say value, and if the variable on the left hand side is greater, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false, and it doesn't count the equal as a true value. Now let's check less than operator. So in less than operator, we do true result, number is less than 3 and number is less than 2. Now let's say number is less than, instead of 3 we will say 8. Okay, here. So in case of number, the value of number is 3 and 3 is less than 8, which is true, but 3 is less than 2, it is not true. That's why the result should be false. Now let's run the code and see the result. So correct comparison result is true. The first one says true, as number 3 is less than 8, which is true, but in second case 3 is greater than 2, which means less than is false. That where it gives us false. So this is called less than operator. Now we have a combination of less than with equal to and greater than with equal to, and these two are called greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operators. Now let's demonstrate those two well. To check greater than or equal to, we are going to do true result. Number is we just have to put the greater than, then equal to, then again greater than or equal to. So in this case, number value is 3. So 3 is greater than or equal to 3, which means this should be true. And 3 is greater than or equal to 2. This means 3 is greater than or equal to 2, which is also a true. So both of these should print the true statement. Now run, and you can see correct comparison result is true and wrong comparison result is also true, which means like both of them are true. As this is true, number 3 is greater than or equal to 3 is true, and 3 is greater than or equal to 2 is true. Now let's try the last one, which is less than or equal to operator. Comment this out and go to this. Now try less than or equal to, also less than or equal to. In this case, 3 is less than or equal to 3. So 3 and 3 are same. So this should be true. And 3 is less than or equal to 2 should be false, as 3 is greater than 2. In this case, greater than will be considered as negative value. Now let's run the program, and correct comparison result is true and false. So this was for today, guys. In this video, we understand what are comparison operators, and we explore the different type of the comparison operator. So in next video, we are going to explore the logical operator in Python. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit like and subscribe for more details.